AI is how people are getting rich right now. You just need to find your angle and go all in. But with a new tool every day, it's easy to get stuck in information overload. Today, we organize the chaos. I'm sharing 5 proven ways to make money with AI using the clear method to rank them. Plus, I'm giving away a MacBook Pro at the end. First up, AI user generated content. Brands are desperate for videos of people using their products, but filming is slow and expensive. AI now solves this. Specialized tools create talking personas without you filming anything. Land 5 retainer clients at $2,000 a month, and that's a $10,000 monthly income. Second, AI websites. Every business needs a professional site, but most small businesses don't have the skills or the $5,000 budget for a traditional build. AI tools build clean sites just by explaining what you want. Charge an upfront fee plus a monthly retainer. For hosting, it's a tangible, high demand service. Third, AI short form clipping. Every podcaster and YouTuber is sitting on hours of long form content. They have great moments but no time to chop them up. AI automatically finds viral moments and adds captions. Since creators publish constantly, they need you constantly. It's recurring income by design. Fourth, AI voice agents. Most local businesses run on phone calls. Every missed ring is a missed customer worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. AI agents answer 24/7 and book appointments directly. It has a steeper learning curve, but once integrated, businesses can turn it off, giving you massive leverage. Finally, AI digital products. Every other hustle ties your income to your time, but digital products break that chain. You build it once and sell it forever. AI can research, structure, and draft products faster than any human. Whether you sell to 1 or 10,000 people, your effort stays exactly the same. Using the clear method, AI digital products win with a score of 20 out of 25. It's the ultimate way to break the link between your time and your money. To enter the MacBook giveaway, leave a comment with something insightful you learned and like the video. Check the pinned comment for full instructions. I don't care which side hustle you pick, just start today. You owe it to yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm rooting for you.